Hey buddy, me and Gino are going to go out and pick some field peas this morning. They're about ready. Purple hulled, pink-eyed cowpeas, field peas, whatever you call them. Let's go out here and pick some peas. They're about ready. The wife said she's ready to eat some. So that means I'm supposed to come out and pick them. It's a little been wet out here this morning. Got a fungus going on a lot of my plants out here. I sprayed them yesterday evening with some fungicide on everything. That's our field peas right there. Cowpeas. They start turning purple, they're ready. A lot of people grow them as fodder for animals, or as a green cover, green manure crop, which they're good at. They're nitrogen fixers, so they pretty much pull nitrogen out of the air and excrete it through their roots. Good for the soil. As a secondary, they're edible. They're good to eat. Animals like them. People like them. It's generally associated as poor people food, but they're tasty, packed full of protein. They work. All right, let's pick some peas. These ones are ready right here when they're about that stage, as all the rest of these are. So I'm gonna pick some peas and can't film. We got a few. That's enough for today. Now this won't make a lot of peas once you shell them down. And still got some on there maturing. Now these will produce again a lot over the next probably month and a half. They just now started turning purple. And once I till this up, I'll probably plant some more here in a couple weeks, because some of this stuff is just dying out here. Peppers are good. Tomatoes are almost dead. Squash got hit by the fungus. They're dead. Cucumbers are dying. Butternut squash lost. Butternut squash is good for the big one over here. I sprayed it. It's still got a lot of squash on there. The kabocha, calabasa died. Two of the other butternut squashes died. Fungus. You can see over here it's starting to turn yellow a little bit. I got those, so I got a lot of little ones off of these ones over here. I'm going to make butternut squash soup, and we've already eaten a couple of them. They're pretty tasty. You see these down here? They're getting bigger. Not quite ready yet, almost. They're still flowering. I think that's a bee down in there now, inside that flower. Yeah, he's doing his thing. But we'll have a lot of butternut squash still, so I'll probably make a lot of soup this year. And probably freeze some of them, maybe. Cucumbers are about done. Tomatoes are all but done. Peppers are still going fairly strong. I sprayed everything yesterday with some bonate copper spray. Tomatoes, they're still producing, but they look horrible. And they've looked horrible. Peppers still look good. A few of the eggplants are gone. I think I lost, 1, 2, 3. Lost 3 eggplant. But those ones are good. That pepper right there is doing good. I didn't even plant that one. That one just grew up from last year. That's purple cayenne. These ones are doing pretty good. That one's about dead. I got to pull it up, run it through the shredder. throw it in the compost pile. There's your little baby right there. A couple of them hanging down there. That's good. Pull these leaves that got the rust on them off of there. Got two of them growing right there next to each other. That one and the one behind it, and then there's one over there too. I think that one's got some on it too. This one does. They're about ready. Pull those off there and either make some more eggplant parmigiana or some caponata or some eggplant fritter patties that are good too. That one's dead. That's our field peas again. Things that pretty much don't take care of them. Just pop seeds in the ground, they'll pop up and let them do their thing. Plant them fairly heavily close together and they'll choke out almost every weed. I didn't get this weed here. I don't even know what it is. I think that's pokeberry or something. I don't know. Got little berries on it. I got to pull that thing up and kill it, shred it, whatever. Now, when you're picking these, if you do these little ones too, you put those in with your field peas as snaps. They're tasty. Now, this isn't really. A lot of people think they're beans. They're not beans. They're totally different family. They're peas, field peas, cowpeas, different species. Actually, these are the long beans right here. They call them beans, asparagus beans, all that. But the truth is, these aren't beans. These are a cousin to the field cowpeas. Genetically speaking, these are cowpeas. Get off of there, bug. Got stink bugs out here now. These are tasty too, just like that. Ate some last night. And some pinakbet with eggplant and squash, peppers, tomatoes mixed together. It's really good. And a little bit of alamang and some, I didn't have any pork shoulder. I think I had sausage left over, so the wife put sausage in there. It was good. All right. Wife's almost home from work. She works night shift. Need to go make her coffee and start her breakfast. We'll be good. Again, if you like my content, subscribe, like, share, everything, comment. Appreciate it. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.